Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, talking about peonies. Yes, they're available almost year-round, but right now they're in season and they're the best ever. Sometimes you've got weddings where they are going to be needed later, maybe September, maybe October, and you're not sure if you'll be able to get them. I have found if you will plan ahead, talk to the growers, buy them as late as you can, and then, rather than bucketing them, keep them dry. Wrap them in newspaper or craft paper. Staple or tape it, and then lay them on the floor of your cooler. Yeah, just put them into refrigeration, laying flat, just like so. You'll be surprised. You can store them for a month, maybe 2. And when you take them out, open them, give them a fresh cut, put them in water, they'll bloom out beautifully. They are an amazing blossom. So there's your tip for long-term storage of peonies.